My name is Giulia Gentile and I'm a lecturer in law at the University of Essex, as well as the PI for Working Package 9 dealing with digitization. First of all, we are going to look at how digitization has impacted the EU social contract and the EU funding values. And we will explore, therefore, how the essential foundations of EU society have been transformed by the force of digitization. The second objective is that of exploring how the European Union has responded to digitization through several frameworks and measures. So essentially we will investigate how well and how effectively the European Union has dealt through regulatory measures with digitization and the protection of the EU social contract and the EU founding values. And finally, the third objective is that of reflecting on how the European institutions can make the EU social contract more resilient from and through digitization. Certainly the first one that comes to mind is that of complexity. Digitization is a very complex phenomenon that permeates all aspects of society and of course all aspects as well of the EU social contract. So it will be very demanding as well as challenging to identify the different forms of impact that the phenomenon of digitization has had on the EU social contract. This working package tries to be constructive towards digitization, and this means that we will reflect and produce on policies that could be adopted by the EU institutions to make the EU social contract more resilient and stronger through digitization. So this requires also some divination in the future and exploration on what will happen in the future.